Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to check exact details of our files that we deleted and are currently in our trash bin. But beware, our phone will automatically delete files permanently from the trash after 30 days from the deletion. So let's look in our My Files menu. Then we are looking for trash utilities, and in here we have everything that we have deleted. So when we tap and hold, here we have our menu. So details are here. For example, as you can see, we have our timer here. We have a path that it was originally, last modified, etc., a few options, and that was what we were looking for. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.